Okay, real question. Have you ever spent like 3 hours trying to draw a face and somehow it ends up looking like a melted potato with eyebrows? And every tutorial online is impossible to follow, except mine of course. Otherwise we wouldn't be having this conversation. And that's why I created the Sketch Club on Skool. It's basically the place where I teach all the stuff that I learned over the past 30 years as a professional artist. Like how to build sketches properly, make characters look solid, add shading that doesn't look like dirt smudges, and finally stop rage quitting your sketchbook. Now, I don't want this to sound like a big flex, but technically I could draw pretty much anything, and I could teach you to do the same. I worked as an art director for companies like Activision Blizzard and Microsoft. I also created 2 ebooks for NASA, and the first one was live streamed from the International Space Station. Yep, my drawings have technically been to space, which means my stick figures have better travel history than me. I built a YouTube community with over 6 million subscribers, so they sent me this super tacky jacket. I also worked on projects with the NBA and Snoop Dogg, and honestly, the craziest part after all these years in film, games, and YouTube, my favorite thing is still helping people level up their art skills. So if you want to draw cooler characters, improve faster, and hang out with me and other artists trying to get better, then come join the Sketch Club on Skool. You can start with a 7-day free trial to get access to all our courses and workshops and see if it's your thing. I'll leave the link down below. Now grab your pencils and I'll see you on the inside.